Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by securing your data and credentials. Back up your Mac with Time Machine or copy essential files to an external drive now, because once you remove iCloud, some synced data may be gone locally. Make sure you have your Apple ID password and two-factor device ready. That unlocks activation lock if needed. Next, open System Settings, click your Apple ID and choose Sign Out. Decide whether to keep a local copy of contacts and calendars. Once done, move to disabling Find My. Now focus on deactivating location and activation protections. In System Settings, go to iCloud or Find My and turn off Find My Mac. You will enter your Apple ID password to confirm. If you already removed the Mac remotely from another device, visit Apple.com or the Find My app to remove the computer from your devices list. Make sure iCloud Drive and Photos show sync complete to avoid missing files. Once you confirm those steps, proceed to sign out fully and wipe, if selling or transferring. Finish by signing out, and if you are transferring the Mac, erasing the disk. Restart into recovery, use Disk Utility to erase the startup disk, then reinstall Mac OS and leave it at the setup screen for the next owner. After erase, reset NVRAM to clear device ties. If activation lock still appears when activating, sign in at Apple.com to remove the device or contact Apple support with proof of purchase. This resolves most stuck removal issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.